Nanubabaw kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Pampanga community. Today's vlog, we would like to thank DELZ Kitchen for sending us their gourmet products. And just to let you know guys that this is a feature of their business, so more than a review, it's a highlight of their products. Let me start guys with introducing the product that they sent us. If you notice, meron tayong mga gourmet products. Tuyo. As I always say guys, if you're just with me today, if you're just sitting beside me today, grabe, ang babango po ng mga gourmet products natin. So let me start with this one. So this is they call it the Spicy Tuyo in gourmet vinegar. There you go. For a vinegar, if you have this product, nakasoak yan dun sa vinegar natin. And then, another product for their tuyo is their Spicy Tuyo in gourmet with crunchy garlic in olive oil. So this is the one that I have on my plate, on my rice right now. Ito po yun. Later on, we're gonna taste it guys. And then lastly, sa mga tuyo, they have this Spicy Tuyo in gourmet in olive oil. I believe this is the classic one, yung sample natin. Now, for the other products, this one is their crunchy garlic in chili oil. Yung garlic na ginamit dito is yung crunchy or yung fried. Although there's a counterpart for that, this is the chili garlic sauce, which is, I think this is the more popular one. So yung mga nakikita natin talaga na normal na chili paste. Now, if you want crunchy garlic naman, this is also available. So yung sinasabi ko kanina, ito yon. So it's like fried garlic. If you just like the chili oil, this is very perfect sa mga inasal. You just pour it on top of your rice or yung mga sausawan din, pwede rin yan. And then lastly there, vinegar, spiced vinegar. So, as we always say, this is the fun part of our vlog in which we taste the product. So, tinitingnan ko ngayon guys is yung tuyo, spicy garlic. Wow! Very suitable, very perfect. It's a hot and steaming rice ko ngayon. That's the flavor that you're gonna watch out for if you buy these kinds of gourmet products. Wala ka nang itatapon, straight from the bottle to your kanin and into your mouth. Now, so meron tayong mga siomai. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip dun sa classic ano nila. This is the chili garlic sauce. So if you notice, this is like the paste-like chili garlic sauce or chili garlic paste. Yun nga. A spicy siomai, plus of course another rice, another spoon of rice, guys. Then what I'm gonna do guys is I'm gonna put it on top of our chili garlic, crunchy chili garlic. Make it really, you know, soak. Parang naligo siya sa ano natin, crunchy garlic in chili oil. It says it. Oh, wow. So crunchy. Oh yeah. Let's get a tuyo flake here and then dip it sa ating vinegar. There you go. Oh, wow. I like it. Sarap. Wow. Grabe ang sarap. I'm not joking guys. This vinegar, it's so loaded up with some ingredients. No? Again, it is spicy. It's seriously spicy. Plus, yung mga ibang ingredients pa nandito, di ko na alam guys. I may not be able to distinguish them. But, overall, pagkakamix niya, that is really crazy vinegar. You gotta try it out guys. You gotta try it out. Anyway, so, guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. As for me guys, I'm gonna share this with my family so that they can enjoy as well yung mga pagkain ni DELZ Kitchen. These products are gonna be available sa mga stores and Facebook links that we're gonna be provided in the information section. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye-bye.